Hello everyone, my name is Darshan from the Department of Basic Science. So today my topic is volume by triple integration and center of gravity. So let's see some of the concepts related to it and introduction to it. So first thing to introduce itself, triple integration. It's a mathematical technique used to calculate the volume of complex three-dimension objects. The center of gravity, also known as the centroid, is the point where the object is perfectly balanced. Understanding these concepts is crucial in various fields such as physics, engineering, and architecture, etc. So you can see here some of the introduction to triple integration. These are the most three points which are being used. And the diagram is here. Now, volume by triple integration. It involves what? It involves integration, a function over a three-dimensional region to find its volume. The process requires breaking down the region into infinitesimally small parts, integrating each part. The volume can be calculated by integrating function over limits of the region in three different directions, that is x, y, and z. Now, steps for calculating volume using triple integration. The first step is you have to identify the limits of integration for each variable, that is x, y, and z, based on the region's boundaries. Second thing is you have to determine the function that represents the volume of the object. And third thing is perform triple integration by integrating the function over the specified limits for each variable, where it be any of the dimensions. Now, center of gravity. The center of gravity is the point where the weight of an object is evenly distributed. It is the average position of all the individual particles make up the object. For a three-dimensional object, the center of gravity is often referred as the centroid. You can see here the diagram and calculation over it. Determining the centroid using triple integration. It could be moments and centroid. You can see here mx is equal to of integration of limits can be a to b and function into differentiation of integration. To find the centroid of three-dimensional object, we need to consider its mass distribution. The centroid can be calculated by finding the average position of all the individual particles, that is coordinates. For a continuous object, the centroid can be determined using triple integration as we know. Now, steps for calculating centroid. First step is identify the limits of integration for each variable, that's x, y, and z, based on the object's boundaries. Then second step is that you can see here determining the function that represents the mass distribution of the object. Third thing, perform triple integration by integrating the function multiplied by the respective variable over the specified limit for each variable. You can see here x, y on the diagram. Now, applications in physics of triple integration. You can see some of the applications in physics now by using some triple integration. The concept of volume by triple integration is essential in physics for calculating the mass of irregularly shaped objects. And the center of gravity is crucial in determining the stability and equilibrium of objects. And these concepts are used in analyzing the movements of objects such as projectiles and rotating boundaries. You can see here the diagram. And using triple integration, you can see some of the application in engineering. Engineers are use volume by triple integration to calculate the volume of complex structures such as buildings or bridges or dams, whatever it is. Second thing is the center of gravity is crucial in designing stable and balanced structures. Third thing is these concepts are utilized in structural analysis and design to ensure safety and efficiency. You can see here. And applications in architecture. So architect Utilize volume by triple integration to calculate volumes of irregularly shaped spaces such as rooms, halls, and atriums. The center of gravity is considered in designing the structures to ensure stability and balance. These concepts help architects create functional and aesthetically pleasing spaces. You can see some of the applications in architecture here. So the next we move. Conclusion. So everything is volume-wide triple integration and the center of gravity plays vital roles in various fields. And calculating the volume helps us understanding the spatial properties of three-dimensional objects. And the last thing is determining the centroids aids in analyzing stability and balance. So here with the conclusion, I hope you understood some of the little bit of knowledge of triple integration and where does it used. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.